Hello everyone, this is Mike Rempel from Excel Bytes, here to tell you about a new option that I've added to my website, excel-bytes.com. If you scroll down the right side of the page, you'll see a section called Excel Tutorial Topics. There you will find a category called Basics that includes 59 of my blog posts that will take your beginner and basic Excel skills to the next level. You'll find topics like how to copy your worksheet as a backup, quick and easy function help, the basics of rounding, table slicers, how to use flash fill, formula tips in Excel, and a super bonus 45-minute video on almost everything you need to know about pivot tables. Now this is not a structured course, but does assume you know some very basic fundamentals of Excel. And once you've gone through these tutorials, your skill level will skyrocket and you'll be ready to dive into the hundreds of other topics on my site, such as how to automatically and dynamically set your print area, using the watch window, creating a dynamic scrolling chart, how to use the indirect function with data validation in tables, and using index match with multi-criteria. So please take a few minutes and click on the Basics link and see what topics you feel will help you enhance your Excel skills. And if you haven't yet, please subscribe to my blog or follow me on YouTube or Twitter. And as always, happy Excelling.